Hi, my name is Jordan Fournier, Product Manager at Blum US, and today I'm going to walk you through how to assemble and install an M-height MERIVOBOX drawer. MERIVOBOX backs and bottoms are made with 16mm material. You'll first need to measure the inside cabinet width, as shown here. To calculate the width for the drawer bottom, use the formula inside cabinet width minus 51mm. To find the length for the drawer bottom, use the formula cabinet profile length minus 26mm. We recommend pre-drilling the first two holes on both sides of the drawer bottom, which are used to secure the bottom to the drawer profiles. Although recommended, this step is not required. The horizontal drilling distance to the first hole is 9mm, and the vertical drilling distance is 16mm. For cabinet profiles that are 270mm long, the distance from the first hole to the second hole is 128mm. For cabinet profiles that are 350mm or longer, the distance from the first hole to the second hole is 256mm. Now that the drawer bottom is ready for assembly, we can move on to the drawer back. Like the bottom, the back is made with 16mm material. To calculate the width of the drawer back, use the formula inside cabinet width minus 51mm. The drawer back height is always a fixed dimension based on the MERIVOBOX drawer side height. For M-height applications, the drawer back height is 83mm. For E-height applications, the drawer back height is 184mm. Again, we recommend pre-drilling the holes on both sides of the drawer back, which are used to secure the rear fixing brackets. These pre-drilled hole dimensions are dependent on your specific MERIVOBOX drawer side height. Now that the drawer bottom and back are ready, we can prepare the final wood component, the drawer front. Since the dimensions of the front are dependent on your specific cabinet, I'll only be demonstrating how to find the pre-drilled hole locations for the front fixing brackets. First, to find the bottom hole vertical drilling distance, use the formula 33.5mm plus bottom overlay. To find the bottom hole horizontal drilling distance, use the formula 20.5mm plus side overlay. Each hole should be 10mm in diameter and 12mm deep. The distance between the holes is dependent on your specific MERIVOBOX application. Now that our wood components are ready, let's assemble our MERIVOBOX drawer. Along with the wood components, you will need a set of rear fixing brackets, front fixing brackets, drawer profiles, and cabinet profiles. The first step is to attach the rear fixing brackets to the drawer back. Rear fixing brackets are left and right-handed, identified by an L or R on the back of each bracket. Line the top of the rear fixing bracket flush with the top of the drawer back, and fasten down the bracket using number 6 by 1/2 inch truss head screws. Once the drawer back is assembled, attach the drawer back to the rear of each drawer profile. Slide the drawer bottom into place between the drawer profiles. Make sure that the drawer bottom's pre-drilled holes are at the front of the drawer. Carefully turn the drawer over and pull the bottom slightly forward until it is flush with the front of each drawer profile. Use number 6 by 1/2 inch truss head screws to fasten the drawer profiles to the drawer bottom. Now, attach the front fixing brackets to the drawer front. When fastening down the front fixing brackets, make sure that each inserted dowel is fully inserted into the pre-drilled holes. Once inserted, turn the top of the bracket to the vertical position to lock it into place. For E-height applications, there's an additional front fixing bracket for both sides of the drawer front. Finally, attach the drawer front to the drawer box. Now that the drawer box is assembled, let's walk through installing the cabinet profiles into your cabinet. For all overlay MERIVOBOX applications, the third hole of the cabinet profile is 37mm back from the face of the cabinet. The vertical spacing between the cabinet profiles is dependent on the specific design of your cabinet. To install the drawer box, start by fully extending both cabinet profiles. Rest the drawer box on the cabinet profiles and push the drawer all the way into the cabinet until you hear an audible click. which means the drawer box is connected to both cabinet profiles. If you have any questions about MERIVOBOX or any of our other products and services, please visit our website at blum.com. If there are any videos you would like to see in the future, please let us know in the comments below.